Happy Good Friday to all of my peoples them. All of my Jamaican people them, you know what I mean, locally, and all of my peoples them abroad, you know. Good Friday, Good Friday. Boy, as we Jamaicans and Christians around the world, as we mark this day to celebrate the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, you know, before the resurrection and thing. You know what I mean? For enough people who don't know, you know what I mean? And the bun and cheese and all of the niceness them. For me today, what me do in regards to Good Friday, not a damn thing. We know other people, them go out, them go party, you know what I mean? Them go chill and them go do them things. Some people might go beach, some go movies, some go Emancipation Park, some go eat out, some go chill with some friends, some just stay home like me, some stay home and cook up some food and play some dominoes, some bridging and thing, you know. As me say, this video I just for big up to all of my people, you know what I mean? And just pretty much just telling you what I do today. Pretty much just chill, do my usual live stream. My son just cook up some wicked piece of fried chicken there, you know what I mean, with some mango and cucumber juice, you know what I mean, tastes good. With some rice and some vegetable and thing, you know what I mean, which was dope, you know what I mean, but separate apart from that, I just there just a chill. No do nothing. They want to go on the road, to be honest, and just shoot something and thing, but it never work out. Actually, they want to shoot something today too. That never work out. Me was supposed to go on the road to, well, the jog and thing with my sinus, because she exercise and thing, you know what I mean, get up in the fitness, you know. Yeah, that never happened. So, we just there aboard, pretty much. I think she there on the front. Must say I play some card game and I write some things on some board thing and so. And me just there. I just know so I just have to talk to my peoples them today. So, hook up the camera, run at the back of the yard and just I tell you how my day go. You know what I mean? I don't know what you do on your Good Friday today. But me, that's pretty much it what I did today. I don't know. No, so the road kinda crazy still, but enough people stay home too. And I really everybody touch the road still, you know what I mean? Like enough working people and used today for just chill. You know what I mean? Some people might just go down a niggle and all over the place go have some fun and thing, but you know what I mean? Some people might go on the hurdles and all over the place, you know what I mean? Dance river, some people might fly out, you know what I mean? Yeah, I definitely know say for that the kids them, what them not normally do today? Just chill, go over the place or play some game. Kids just being kids, you know what I mean? But yeah, I pretty much just an ordinary day for me still. Although I don't want to touch the road still, but yeah. And do something still, you know what I mean? Yeah. But day before that we did go drop off baby sinus and thing. Go link grandma sinus them, you know what I mean? Spend a little time down there with them and I just there, just I take it easy, you know what I mean? I enjoy the night and thing. For me, people I love go outside and chill, you know what I mean? Bust a one prayer meditation and just appreciate the quiet time, you know? Yes. Feel good. But anyway, peace. Let me stop my blabbering. Yeah, my blabbering. But yeah, that me do today. And not really much. Still, I don't know. How you spend your Good Friday? You know what I mean? Just let me know. And this was a little video, a one-on-one talk. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. And look out for more videos coming out and thing. yeah, and just go on journey with your boy. So happy Good Friday, happy Easter, wherever you are around the world, what time it is, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Yeah, big up on yourself and just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo! Hey.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.